Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up the Canon PIXMA MX459 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX459 support. And best result should be from a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA MX459. Go ahead and open that up. And now we want to scroll down on this page and select software and drivers. Scrolling down again, you want to go underneath My Printer and select download. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open that up to run it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And then select next for this installer. Select the correct region as well as your country. Select next. You want to agree to the end user license terms. If you want to change the destination path, you can. But we're just going to select next. And then once that's done, you can create a desktop shortcut. We're just going to select complete. And that should pretty much be it, guys. If you open up that utility, you can see additional printer settings in here. You can select diagnose and repair printer if you're still having problems connecting to your printer, and then walk through the steps. But that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.